Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create academic poster in PowerPoint. Firstly, open PowerPoint on your computer on the web, then select a blank presentation to start from scratch. Navigate to the Design tab, then click on Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size. Choose your desired dimensions. Common poster sizes include 11 x 17 in, 18 x 24 in, and then 24 x 36 in, etc. Select the orientation from your design preferences. From slide scale, choose either scale to fit or crop. Before adding content, consider sketching a rough layout on paper to decide on columns, image placements, and text areas. For portrait posters, 2-3 columns work, but we're gonna use a landscape since we are doing an academic poster, so 3 to 4 columns for more space. Now, insert images, text, and graphics, and use high-resolution images. Structure your content to tell a story or convey a key message. And that's it guys, when you're done, just save and export for print. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.